ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. ஹரி ஓம்.
இலை, புஷ்பம், பழம், தண்ணீர் இவை எதையேனும் யார் பக்தியுடன் சமர்ப்பிக்கிறாரோ அதில் நான் திருப்தியடைகிறேன். நேர்மையற்ற பக்தியை நான் ஏற்பதில்லை. இறையருள் கீதை.
ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. மீனராசி, பூர்வ புரோஷ்டபதா நக்ஷத்ரா, ஃபோர்த் பாதா, உத்தர புரோஷ்டபதா நக்ஷத்ரா and Revati nakshatra. Saturn and Jupiter comes to the 11th place. This time will bring profit and prosperity. People in politics, medicine can shine more. Family life might be difficult to manage, but it can be made better by respecting and understanding each other. Be very careful yet friendly when it comes to friends. Purva Proththavada Nakshatra, 4th Pada, Meena Rashi. For people born in Purva Proththavada Nakshatra, 4th Pada, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 6th Nakshatra. Be very cautious before deciding on any aspect. Chances of getting startled for minute reasons which can lead to bitter or sinful consequences is possible. So, it is good to practice yoga or meditation to keep yourself calm. Medical expenses will be high. Seek the blessings of Lord. Do not lose hope. Health. High possibilities of illness that would require a surgery might occur. So take good care of your health. Avoid any sort of unhealthy habits. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Students will shine in all areas of study. They are required to take notes of the lessons taught and study with concentration. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. Be friendly with fellow colleagues, mainly with your supervisors, and treat them with respect and kindness. There are possibilities of getting promotion after 12 months. Be mindful about your work. Business. People involved in business related to fast food, hotels, promoters, builders will have a good time. Returns from share market will be moderate. Agriculture. Cultivation of fruits and vegetables will yield more profit. Other crops, however, will have moderate profit. Court cases. Court cases will be favorable after 12 months. With ardent prayers and faith in God, you can succeed in all the cases. Fine arts. People in the field of fine arts will see good progress, but be cautious. Be very respectful with senior colleagues. House. It is advisable not to buy a house for the next 30 months as the time is not favorable. Land. It is a very favorable time to buy land, but not advisable to sell. Vehicle. Do not indulge in buying new vehicles for the next 12 months. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives after 12 months. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. Purva Proththavada Nakshatra Moola Mantra and Purva Proththavada Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Purva Proththavada Nakshatra Moola Mantra. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Prom Shrim Aim Purva Proththavada Nakshatra Adhipaya Ajayekapadaya Namaha. Purva Proththavada Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Vam Tejaskaraga Vidmahe Ajayekapadaya Dhimahe Tanno Purva Proththavada Prachodayat. Uttara Proththavada Nakshatra, Meena Rashi. For people born in Uttara Proththavada Nakshatra, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 5th Nakshatra. You will experience a slight delay in getting things done. Please be patient. You might have to travel a lot and be very careful while you travel. There are bright chances of going abroad. Avoid arguments with family and friends. Please be friendly and kind to all of them. Your spiritual thoughts will alleviate. Though you might face a few better situations, being patient would bring in peace. Health. Health aspects are extremely good. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Students would find it difficult to concentrate in studies. There are a lot of possibilities for students to get distracted easily. Hence, do meditation and yoga to keep your mind and body in a stable state to have good concentration in studies. Work. There are high chances of being appreciated in your workplace. Please be patient and mindful of the work that you do. This can bring in more good. Business. People involved in business related to fast food, hotels and restaurants, fruits, vegetables and flowers will have a very good profit. Rest of the business areas will have moderately favorable time. Please be patient. Concentrating more on the business development would help earn more profit. Returns from share market will be good, but be very cautious. Agriculture. Agriculture will yield moderate profit. Farmers can venture new crops to yield more profit. Court cases. Cases will become favorable only after 6 months. Please be patient until then. Fine arts. People in the field of fine arts will see good progress but are advised to be more respectful towards the senior colleagues. House. It is a good time to buy a house, but still it is better to buy or register after 12 months. For the time being, pre-agreements can be done. Land. Good time to buy or sell land. Investments will also yield good profit. Vehicle. Do not indulge in buying new vehicles for the next 6 months. Marriage. Favorable time for marriage is after 12 months. You will find the time favoring right after 9 months. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Uttaraprodashtabhada Nakshatra should worship the Saptamata, Garuda and Vishnu and seek their blessings for good fortune. Uttaraprodashtabhada Nakshatra Moola Mantra and Uttaraprodashtabhada Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Uttaraprodashtabhada Nakshatra Moola Mantra. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Vum Ham Prem Uttaraprodashtabhada Nakshatra Adhipaya Ahirbudhnyaya Namaha. Uttaraprodashtabhada Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Om Ahirbudhnyaya Vidmahe Pratishthapanaya Dhimahe Tanno Uttaraprodashtabhada Prachodayat. Revati Nakshatra Meena Rashi. For people born in Revati Nakshatra, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 4th nakshatra. Be very respectful while talking with elders. It is better to avoid unnecessary arguments, traveling and expenses. Be cautious and kind with friends. People involved in teaching or education field need to be very careful in their work. Students should be more respectful towards teacher. Health. Health aspects are extremely good. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Students would find it very difficult to concentrate in studies. There is a lot of scope for the students to get distracted. Hence, students are required to take notes of the lessons taught and study with concentration. Do yoga and meditation for having good memory power and IQ. Work. Be mindful about your work and be respectful and kind with your fellow colleagues. Seeking God's blessings will make things better. There are chances of getting promotion after 24 months. Business. People involved in all other business except textiles will have a good time. Returns from share market will be very high. Agriculture. Pulses and crops would yield more profit. It is a very good time for farmers. Court cases. All the court cases will become favorable after 6 months. Please be calm and patient. Fine arts. People in the field of fine arts will see a stable and a good progress. Being mindful of what you do will yield more fame and profit. House. It is a very good time to invest in house. However, the best time for buying a new house will be after 6 months. Land. Time is favorable to buy and sell land. Vehicle. It is advisable to buy new vehicles after 12 months. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives after 3 months for favorable results. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Revati Nakshatra should worship the Saptamata, Garuda and Mahavishnu and seek their blessings for good fortune. Revati Nakshatra Mula Mantra and Revati Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Revati Nakshatra Mula Mantra.
Vam Aim Hrim Shrim Raim Shum Sham Revati Nakshatra Adhipaya Pushne Namaha.
Revati Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Om Vishwarupaya Vidmahe Pushnadehaya Dhimahi Tanno Raivati Prachodayat. A request to all the 12 Rashi people. For those who are not aware of your family deity, please consult with family elders and know them. If it is not known, worship your favorite god and seek their blessings. We all tend to carry out all the remedies prescribed by expert astrologers, but still a few of us are facing hardships. Whatever dharma and worship we do, that will definitely yield good result. This birth is a result of the deeds that we have done in the previous births as per the Shastra. Hence, do not be lethargic and lose hope. We are required to follow dharma and work sincerely with pure devotion to achieve success in life. Help others who are in need. Have a good and positive circle of people around you always. Respect elders in your family, guru, and other worshipful people, without which no pariharam or prayashchittam will be effective.